In this video,
We will learn how to hide other player names in Fortnite.
in order to hide other player names in Fortnite, all you need to do is click on your profile picture icon from the top right hand side of your screen. After that, head to the gear icon. Now head to the top rightmost section, which is the accounts and privacy section. In here, scroll down until you find gameplay privacy. After coming to the gameplay privacy section, you will find an option called hide other display names during a regular gameplay. All you need to do is turn it on and it will replace other player names that are not in your party with the name player. So in here, just apply and head back to the lobby. Now after you get into a game, you will see that none of the player names are being shown and they are all hidden. So this is how you can easily remove all the player names from Fortnite and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.